I recently got this fishing rod and reel combo and I wanted to share our experience with it, especially because it comes as a complete kit that's really easy to get started with. The first thing that stood out to me was the design. This has a really unique X warping painted finish that gives it a little more personality than your typical fishing rod. It definitely has a nice look to it, and I think it would make a great gift for someone who enjoys fishing or someone who is just getting started. The rod itself is made with carbon fiber and has a telescopic design, which I really like because it makes it much more compact for storing and transporting. You don't have to find room for a full-length fishing pole in your vehicle, garage, or wherever you keep your fishing gear. You can collapse this one down when you're finished and extend it when you're ready to use it. It also comes with the reel, and getting everything set up was really simple. Attaching the reel to the rod was quick and straightforward. There really wasn't much to figure out. I think that's especially nice if you're newer to fishing and don't want something that's complicated to put together before you can actually use it. Once we had it ready to go, we brought it over to my in-laws' pond so my husband could try it out. We actually had some excitement almost immediately because on his second cast, he got a bite. You can see it happen in the video. Unfortunately, he wasn't quite quick enough to set the hook, so the fish managed to get away before he could reel it in. But getting a bite on only the second cast was still a pretty fun way to test it out. The reel was smooth to use, and having the telescopic rod is really convenient for something you might want to keep in your car or bring along on a camping trip or fishing trip. When you're finished, you can collapse it back down instead of having to transport or store a full-length fishing pole. Overall, I think this is a really nice fishing rod and reel combo, especially for someone who wants something that's easy to set up and doesn't take a lot of space when it's stored. I also really like the unique design because it makes it stand out from a lot of more basic fishing rods. I think that this would be a great option for a beginner, a casual fisherman, or as a gift for someone who enjoys fishing. And while my husband didn't actually manage to catch the fish this time, the fact that he got a bite on his second cast definitely made our first time trying it out a little bit more exciting. Hopefully next time he'll be a little quicker.